Hi, I'm Judy Weiniger with the Weiniger Group, and I'm here today at my beautiful listing in Millington, New Jersey. Here are my top 4 reasons why I love this home and community and why you should definitely come see it in person. Number 1, great casual living spaces. My favorite room in the house is the large open kitchen, which is the hub of the home. With its vaulted ceiling and wall of windows, it brings the outside in. It opens to the family room where you can sit and read by the fireplace or comfortably watch your favorite TV shows. Also enjoy the convenience of working from home in your private office. After a long day, relax on your stone patio and enjoy the soothing sounds of the waterfall. Number 2, space. There are great spaces in the living room and the dining room. The master bedroom suite is the perfect retreat to relax and unwind. The extra bonus space outside the master makes for the perfect library, exercise room, or upstairs playroom. There are 3 additional bedrooms that are spacious and bright with beautiful hardwood floors. Number 3, convenience and community. A commuter's dream, the Millington train station is just minutes away with easy access to parking and the Midtown Direct train to New York City. Just minutes to downtown Sterling, there are 2 great supermarket options, King's and ShopRite. There are also wonderful retail shops. And when you get hungry, there are lots of wonderful restaurant choices. Number 4, great schools. The Millington Elementary School is the local school for grades kindergarten through 5th grade. For 6th through 8th grade is Central Middle School. Residents of Long Hill meet up with Warren, Watchung, and Greenbrook students at Watchung Hills Regional High School for grades 9 through 12. Don't you agree? This incredible home and community has so much to offer. Give me a call for your own private tour.